The world, and in particular APAC, is watching Australia. We've historically been an early adopter of technologies for the benefit of future generations.
Australia has an abundance of natural resources that we can draw on as part of the energy transition. We have wind, sunshine, the ability to use hydropower, and we have critical minerals.
What we don't have is the infrastructure to get it to the right place, and that's where GE Vernova steps in.
Our digital software runs over 80% of the Australian grid, and every asset pathway is tied to decarbonisation.
GE Vernova has a long history in Australia, with over 400 people across every state and territory helping customers on their journey to electrification and decarbonisation.
It's important as we head towards the net zero targets for 2050 that we use all the technologies available across our three businesses of wind, power and electrification.
And with the technologies that we offer, we're going to be leading the way not just for Australia, but for the region and for the globe.
In wind, we currently have Goyda, Marawarra 2 and Bango. We have Ungala currently under construction. It consists of 69 of our 6 megawatt turbines, with towers reaching 148 metres high.
Each project tells a story. Goyda is about ambition and scale. It was 75 turbines in really complex terrain at high wind speeds. Bango is proof that renewables are powering Australia already. It was our first large-scale global project.
Gas provides that stability that you need on the grid when the sun is not shining and the wind is not blowing. We serve more than 20 clients across Australia, from Nugent Kwinana in Western Australia, going all the way to Origin's Quarantine Power Station, NG's Pelican Point, and Energy Australia Hallett Power Station in South Australia, right across to Tallawarra A and Tallawarra B on the East Coast. Nugent Kwinana is a great example of how we can bring in tens of thousands of parts, and we combine that with local and global specialists to be able to deliver a good fulfillment of an outage.
GE Vernova's long played a role in converting motion into power, whether that be through wind farms, gas turbines. Electrification, however, is taking that energy and allowing it to be converted back into motion to be leveraged for activities such as the Parramatta Light Rail project, where our inverters are connecting that grid power back into an energy that can be used by the light rail system. The power conversion and storage business is helping companies like Quinbrook effectively convert and store that energy for use on their supernode data centre. What we're doing here shapes the energy future for Asia Pacific and beyond.
The energy transition is a defining once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for our generation.
We are so lucky to live in Australia with all this natural resource. GE Vernova is really well placed to accelerate that energy transition.
What we do here really matters. Without those assets, who's going to provide reliable power?
Working with great technologies is one thing, but to be making the world a better place makes this a truly amazing place to work.
Together.
Together,
we have the energy to change the world.